Restoring precise hand function after neurological injury remains one of the biggest challenges in neurorehabilitation. Traditional therapies often fall short as overt movements are commonly required. Non-invasive motor imagery-based BCIs could be a solution, but mostly rely on EEG, which offers low spatial resolution and typically supports only a few discrete commands within the same effector, for example, open and close the hand. However, daily activities require complex hand actions such as lateral pinch, finger and wrist extension, and cylindrical grasp. Our project introduces a TMS-based BCI that uses neurofeedback and corticospinal excitability. By delivering single pulse TMS and measuring motor evoked potentials from specific hand muscles, we provide real-time muscle-specific feedback during kinesthetic motor imagery. This direct link to the motor pathway offers a level of precision that EEG-based BCIs cannot achieve. In our first project, we start by training mental finger individuation, teaching users to activate one finger while suppressing others, and then scale to multi-finger synergies and action sequences. Healthy adults were able to selectively upregulate the corticospinal excitability of a target finger while simultaneously downregulating the corticospinal excitability of other finger representations. Based on the fMRI findings, we observed the TMS-based BCI can modify the neural underpinnings of mental finger individuation by promoting neuroplasticity, laying the foundation to scale this approach to complex hand actions. Given this insight, we are currently investigating in our second project whether multi-imaging the complex hand actions like opening a hand, turning a key, and holding a bottle can be decoded and modulated through neurofeedback. A support vector machine-based ensemble learning algorithm is implemented to classify imagined hand actions. The participants will first receive arrow-based feedback to guide them to adjust their mental strategies. Otherwise, reinforcement feedback is shown once the imagined action is classified correctly. Our preliminary results show that the classification accuracy increased with training, suggesting that TMS-based BCI training facilitates multi-imagery of complex hand actions. This highlights that TMS-based BCI offers a promising approach for individuals with hand impairments. This work opens two promising translational pathways. TMS-based training can prime users for EEG-based BCIs and EMG-driven training. Together, these technologies create a powerful closed-loop system to restore functional hand use and improve quality of life for people with severe motor impairments. We aim to redefine what non-invasive TMS-based BCI can achieve, turning thoughts into actions.
Welcome to the future.